Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to PTmaestro, and in this episode we're going to go over on how to create a client. When you open up your dashboard, you'll notice at the top left hand side is your dashboard button, your clients, your schedule, training, and your money manager. We're going to click onto the clients to create a client. And when you open up the clients, you can see that you could do a search for date created or by name. And then from here, you'll notice that we have two already created, and then we will move forward to look at the status of each, where as you can see, you have active, inactive, and lead, which we'll get to in details shortly. We are going to click create a client. Okay, so from there, you just type in the first name of your client and their last name, and then they will pop up right there. Now, if they are going to be eventually no longer a client, you put them to inactive, and then you will be able to delete them for good. But if you wanted them to just be a lead because they're not currently your client, you just mark them as lead, and you'll be able to edit them further as we get on with this client. All right, also from this page, you'll notice you could call them, you could message them, you could email them, you could add notes. Now we're going to click on the client details, and there, ladies and gentlemen, it'll bring you to your client details, where there you can see there's plenty of information that you can input to your client that we will get into at a later episode. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PTmaestro, and that is how to create a client. Thanks again for watching, and we definitely look forward to helping you succeed with your business and being your client management tool to go to.